Nestled deep within the verdant landscapes of Surigao del Sur, Mindanao, lies a pristine natural wonder waiting to be explored, Bao Bao Falls. Tucked away from the bustling tourist trails, this enchanting waterfall offers a serene retreat into the heart of Philippine wilderness. Emerging from the foliage, Bao Bao Falls reveals itself in all its glory, a majestic cascade of water tumbling gracefully down rocks into a crystal-clear pool below. The sight is nothing short of mesmerizing, offering a tranquil sanctuary where visitors can reconnect with nature and rejuvenate their spirits.